guy's
gotta
giving
heal
him
me. Fix me.
Heal her.
Okay? Make me feel better. Oh. Dubai, check me. Check my heart.
Do CPR.
Yeah, that's what I think she was doing. She was pounding on my chest. Dubai, check my heart. Ow. Oh, it's gonna hurt. They're stabbing me. Ow. Oh, change my eyes. Whoa, what happened on my foot? Oh, I have a band-aid? Oh. She's doing shock. Shock my heart. Oh. Shock it again. Now do some CPR. Dubai, check my heart. Or my ear. Dubai, put band-aid on. Joe, do CPR here.
No. Yeah. And then blow on her. No, on her. You blow on her mouth. You go. No.
What was that about? No, you don't be sorry. It's him.
Oh, God. Nia, I'm so hurt. I need to go to the hospital. Hey, why are you taking... I'm not going to make it.
Oh, both of them are moving.